Chocolate feels harmless, comforting, even healthy sometimes. But what if I told you most chocolate products you drink, bake, or give your kids aren't chocolate at all? They're sugar formulas, they're marketing illusions, and some of them are doing more damage than you realize. Today, we're exposing 7 chocolate products you should never buy again, not because they're rare treats, but because they've been engineered to look indulgent while stripping out everything real. No cocoa benefits, no antioxidants, just refined sugar, artificial flavors, and empty calories hiding behind fancy packaging. From hot chocolate mixes that are over 70% sugar, to premium drinking chocolates that charge luxury prices for junk ingredients, to childhood favorites like Nesquik, designed to hook taste buds early, this list will completely change how you see chocolate. And here's the scary part. Some of these products are marketed as healthy. Words like cacao, rich, premium, triple chocolate are slapped on labels to make you feel smart for buying them, when in reality, they're ultra-processed and nutritionally bankrupt. If you drink chocolate in winter, if you bake chocolate desserts, if you buy chocolate mixes for your family, you need to watch this till the end, because once you know what's actually inside these products, you won't be able to unsee it. Before we start, do one thing. Hit subscribe, because this channel exposes foods brands don't want you questioning. Drop a like to help this reach more people, and comment chocolate if you've ever thought something was healthy just because it sounded premium. Let's begin with number 1, and trust me, it gets worse from here. Number 1, hot chocolate mixes chocolate in a cup. Sounds innocent, right? Warm, cozy, perfect for winter nights or a quick pick-me-up. But what if I told you that most hot chocolate mixes you grab off the store shelf are far from harmless? In fact, some of them are basically sugar disguised as chocolate. Let's break it down. Take a look at the ingredients of your favorite hot chocolate mix. The first thing you'll notice isn't cocoa powder, it's sugar. Often, sugar makes up more than 60% of the product. That chocolatey flavor you taste, it's usually artificial, made from flavorings, emulsifiers, and sweeteners. Real cocoa? Minimal at best. These mixes also contain additives you've probably never heard of. Anti-caking agents to prevent clumping, hydrogenated oils to give that creamy texture, and artificial vanilla to make it smell like real chocolate. Together, they trick your taste buds into thinking you're enjoying a treat. But in reality, you're drinking empty calories loaded with refined sugar. And here's the kicker. Many of these mixes are marketed as gourmet or premium, often with labels like rich cocoa or made with real chocolate. Sounds fancy, right? But marketing can be deceiving. The real chocolate they advertise is usually a fraction of a percent of the total mix, hidden behind sugar and additives. You're paying extra for a cup that's more about sweet sensation than actual chocolate. For kids, it's even worse. Hot chocolate mixes are often given as a snack or breakfast treat. Every sip spikes blood sugar, followed by the inevitable crash. Over time, this contributes to sugar cravings, weight gain, and even long-term metabolic issues. Parents, this is a wake-up call. Just because it's chocolate-flavored doesn't mean it's healthy or safe for daily consumption. Even worse, some cheaper brands use low-quality cocoa that's heavily processed and stripped of antioxidants. Cocoa is naturally rich in compounds that support heart health and mental alertness, but most hot chocolate mixes destroy those benefits with extreme heat and chemical processing. By the time you drink it, the product has zero nutritional value. It's sugar and flavor, nothing else. So what's the takeaway? If you want a chocolate beverage that's actually good for you, skip the pre-made mixes. Look for pure cacao powder, unsweetened, or brands that clearly show cocoa as the first ingredient with minimal additives. Mix it yourself with milk or a plant-based alternative, and you'll get the taste, the health benefits, and none of the sugar overload. Next time you reach for a hot chocolate mix, stop and read the label. Ask yourself, am I drinking chocolate or am I drinking sugar disguised as chocolate? 2. Industrial cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. It sounds healthy, right? Rich in antioxidants, heart-friendly flavonoids, and that unmistakable chocolate taste we all love. But not all cocoa powders are created equal. In fact, most industrial cocoa powders sold in stores are far from the wholesome superfood they're marketed as. Let's start with what industrial actually means here. These cocoa powders are usually Dutch processed, which means they're treated with alkaline solutions to neutralize acidity. While this makes the powder darker and smoother, it also destroys most of the natural antioxidants and flavonoids that make cocoa healthy in the first place. So while it looks rich and premium on the shelf, the health benefits are stripped away. But that's just the start. Many industrial cocoa powders are sourced from the lowest quality cocoa beans, sometimes blended with fillers to bulk them up. You might see labels claiming 100% cocoa or unsweetened, but a closer look often reveals that these powders are highly processed, chemically treated, and even contaminated with trace amounts of heavy metals like cadmium or lead, a real risk if consumed regularly. These powders are designed for factories, bakeries, and large-scale chocolate production, not for health-conscious home use. When mixed into beverages or desserts, industrial cocoa powder adds bitterness that is usually masked with extra sugar or artificial flavors. So, the final product you're drinking or baking with is basically sugar, emulsifiers, and artificial taste with almost no real cocoa nutrition. Even if you try to make your cocoa drinks at home thinking you're being healthy, using industrial cocoa powder often backfires. You get the bitterness, you add more sugar to fix the taste, and suddenly your healthy chocolate becomes a calorie-laden sugar bomb. The irony? You thought you were choosing the smarter option, but the processing has done all the hard work of turning a natural superfood into a nutritionally empty powder. So, what's the takeaway? If you care about real chocolate benefits, avoid industrial cocoa powders. Instead, look for organic, minimally processed cacao powders, where cocoa content is high and processing is low. This way, you get that deep chocolate flavor, antioxidants, and no hidden chemicals. In short, industrial cocoa powder is convenience disguised as health, and it's costing your body more than you realize. Be smart, read the labels, and always ask, am I choosing chocolate or chemicals in a cup? Number 3. Real cacao powder. Cacao. The word itself evokes images of healthy, natural chocolate, right? Dark, bitter, pure. A superfood for your heart and mind. But here's the catch. Not all products labeled as real cacao live up to that promise. In fact, many low-grade cacao powders are a marketing trap that tricks buyers into thinking they're consuming something wholesome when it's far from it. First, let's talk about labeling. You'll often see cacao powders branded as raw, organic, or premium, with bold claims about antioxidants, energy, and detox benefits. Sounds perfect. But low-grade cacao powders are frequently heat processed, sometimes even roasted at high temperatures to mask bitterness or remove natural acidity. Once this happens, the antioxidants and flavonoids, the very compounds that make cacao healthy, are almost completely destroyed. Then there's the sourcing. Low-grade cacao often comes from over-harvested beans, mixed with cheaper fillers, or even ground from substandard cacao shells rather than the pure nibs. The result? Bitter, poor-quality powder that you're told is rich in cocoa. But in reality, it's more about the marketing than the actual nutrition, and the taste is telling. True, high-quality cacao is naturally bitter, deep, and aromatic. Low-grade cacao tries to replicate that with a mix of sugar, flavoring, and sometimes emulsifiers to make it palatable. You end up drinking or baking something that looks healthy but is stripped of benefits, forcing you to add sweeteners to enjoy it. Once again, your healthy chocolate is a sugar bomb in disguise. Another hidden risk is contamination. Low-grade cacao powders may contain pesticide residues, mold, or heavy metals, especially if sourced from regions without strict quality controls. Brands that focus on marketing over quality rarely disclose these risks, so buyers assume they're safe when they're not. So what's the takeaway? If you're using cacao powders at home, be selective. Look for minimally processed, high cocoa content cacao from trusted sources. Avoid powders labeled vaguely as raw or premium without certification. True cacao should be bitter, potent, and rich in antioxidants, not artificially masked or bulked up with fillers. Low-grade real cacao is one of those products that tricks even the most health-conscious shoppers. On paper, it's superfood. In reality, it's a shadow of what chocolate can be. So next time you reach for that jar, ask yourself, am I buying health or am I buying hype? 4. Premium drinking chocolate. Premium drinking chocolate. The words alone make you feel fancy. A cup of luxury in the middle of a chilly evening. But don't be fooled by the glossy packaging or claims of being rich, creamy, and indulgent. Most store-bought premium drinking chocolates are anything but premium, especially when it comes to health. Let's start with the ingredients. These drinks often contain refined sugar as the main ingredient, sometimes even more than 50 to 60% of the total mix. Cocoa content? Usually minimal. In many cases, you're paying a premium price for a product where the majority of what you're consuming is sugar, palm oil, and artificial flavoring. The actual chocolate, the part that contains antioxidants, minerals, and that deep cocoa flavor, is often an afterthought. Add to that emulsifiers, anti-caking agents, and artificial vanilla. They are added to create a smooth, creamy texture and mask any bitterness from low-quality cocoa. What you end up with is a cup that tastes sweet and luxurious, but is nutritionally empty. In other words, it looks like chocolate, smells like chocolate, but gives you almost none of the benefits real chocolate can provide. And here's the sneaky part: marketing. Words like gourmet, premium, rich cocoa make buyers feel like they're making a smart choice. But most brands charge extra for packaging, branding, and the illusion of luxury. The result? You're paying top dollar for sugar disguised as chocolate. The health impact is also significant. A cup of premium drinking chocolate can contain half your daily recommended sugar intake in one serving. Regular consumption spikes blood sugar, increases cravings for more sweets, and can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and metabolic problems over time. Parents beware. These products are often marketed to children as a treat or snack. One cup might seem harmless, but the sugar overload and chemical additives can affect energy, mood, and focus, turning a simple chocolate treat into a hidden health risk. So, what's the solution? Skip pre-made premium mixes. Instead, invest in high-quality, unsweetened cacao or cocoa powder and prepare your own chocolate drinks. Control the sugar, milk choice, and quality of chocolate. This way, you enjoy the rich taste without the unnecessary additives or sugar spikes. In short, premium drinking chocolate is often premium in price only. Don't be fooled by packaging or marketing claims. True chocolate indulgence is about quality, not hype. Number 5. Triple chocolate fudge cake mixes. Triple chocolate fudge sounds like the ultimate dessert. Rich, decadent, and indulgent. Perfect for parties or a special special treat. But if you think that buying a boxed cake mix is harmless, think again. Most triple chocolate fudge cake mixes are loaded with ingredients that make them more dangerous than satisfying. Let's start with sugar. These cake mixes are ultra-processed and typically contain sugar as the first ingredient. Some mixes have more sugar than flour, which means that each slice is a concentrated sugar bomb. The triple chocolate claim, it usually comes from a combination of cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and sometimes chocolate-flavored fillers, not actual high-quality chocolate. Then there are the oils. Many mixes use hydrogenated oils or palm oil to give the cake a moist texture. These oils are high in trans fats, which are linked to heart disease, inflammation, and long-term health issues. So while the cake may be soft and fudgy, it's also packed with harmful fats you didn't expect. Next, consider the additives. Boxed cake mixes are filled with preservatives, emulsifiers, and artificial flavoring to ensure shelf stability and consistent taste. The fudge flavor often comes from synthetic compounds rather than real chocolate. In other words, you're not eating chocolate, you're eating chemicals designed to taste like chocolate, and it's deceptively marketed as fun or quick, perfect for families. Parents think they're giving kids a treat, but in reality, a single slice of triple chocolate fudge cake can contain an entire day's worth of sugar, along with trans fats and artificial chemicals. Regular consumption can lead to sugar crashes, energy spikes, and long-term cravings for processed sweets. Even worse, some mixes contain low-quality cocoa that's heavily processed, stripped of any antioxidants or nutrients. So while the label shouts triple chocolate, the cake you're eating has almost zero real chocolate benefits. You're essentially paying for convenience and marketing hype, not quality ingredients. So what's the takeaway? If you want a chocolate cake that's actually good for you, skip the box. Make desserts from high-quality cocoa or chocolate, whole ingredients, and controlled sugar levels. It takes a few extra minutes, but you get a dessert that's truly chocolate, not just a sugar-filled illusion. In short, triple chocolate fudge cake mixes are convenience disguised as indulgence, and your health pays the price. Read the labels, avoid the ultra-processed traps, and choose real chocolate when possible. 6. Hot chocolate bombs. Hot chocolate bombs. They look magical. Crack them in a mug of hot milk, watch the chocolate shell melt, marshmallows float, and cocoa mix perfectly. Social media loves them, and so do chocolate lovers. But don't be fooled by the Instagram-worthy presentation. Most hot chocolate bombs are sugar traps disguised as indulgence. First, the sugar content is shocking. Many popular hot chocolate bombs contain more sugar than your average candy bar. The chocolate shell itself is often sweetened with refined sugar, and the marshmallows inside are pure sugar. One single serving can easily exceed half your daily sugar limit. That's before you even add milk or any toppings. Then there are the additives. To make the shell smooth and shiny, manufacturers often add vegetable oils, emulsifiers, and stabilizers. The marshmallows are loaded with corn syrup and gelatin, plus artificial colors and flavors to make them look bright and perfect. The cocoa inside, usually low quality, highly processed, and stripped of any real antioxidants or nutrients. What makes this even trickier is perception. Hot chocolate bombs feel like a treat, even luxurious. They're marketed as gourmet, giftable, or fun for kids, but marketing can be deceptive. The premium look has almost nothing to do with the nutritional value. In reality, you're paying a high price for sugar, chemicals, and a fleeting visual spectacle. And here's the health impact. Consuming these regularly spikes blood sugar, increases cravings for more sweets, and contributes to long-term metabolic issues. For children, the combination of sugar and additives can affect focus, mood, and energy levels. So what's the takeaway? Enjoy hot chocolate bombs occasionally if you want, but don't let the presentation fool you. For a healthier alternative, make your own chocolate drink using unsweetened cocoa or cacao powder, a touch of natural sweetener, and skip the marshmallows. You get the magic of chocolate without the sugar overload. In short, hot chocolate bombs are fun to look at, but dangerous to your health. Social media aesthetics don't equal nutrition. Number 7. Nesquik chocolate mix. Ah, Nesquik, the childhood favorite. Chocolate milk in seconds. Easy, sweet, and oh so addictive. But let's break it down. What you're actually drinking is far from healthy. The number 1 ingredient? Sugar. Nesquik contains sugar as the main ingredient, often making up more than half the mix. Cocoa? Low quality and minimal. Flavor? Artificial. The product is designed to be sweet, not nourishing. Then there are the additives. Nesquik is full of emulsifiers, stabilizers, artificial flavors, and sometimes synthetic colors. The cocoa content is so low that any health benefits from real chocolate are almost entirely missing. What you're left with is sugar disguised as chocolate. Marketing makes it worse. Nesquik is presented as fun, playful, and even nutritious because it's sometimes fortified with vitamins. But those vitamins do not cancel out the high sugar content and artificial chemicals. One glass can spike blood sugar, especially for kids, and create the very cravings that brands thrive on. Parents, take note. Regular consumption can affect mood, attention, and energy levels. Kids think they're drinking chocolate milk, but they're actually consuming a sugar bomb with chemicals. Even worse, it creates a lifelong preference for overly sweetened products, making healthy chocolate or cocoa taste bitter by comparison. So what's the alternative? Skip Nesquik. Use unsweetened cocoa or high-quality cacao powder and sweeten naturally with with honey, maple syrup, or stevia. This way, you control sugar intake and still enjoy the chocolate flavor. In short, Nesquik is nostalgia wrapped in sugar, and while it tastes good, it's not chocolate in the way your body can benefit from. Be aware of the sugar traps hidden in everyday chocolate drinks. After seeing all these ultra-processed chocolate products, it's clear that not all chocolate is created equal. While the last 7 products we covered are loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and hidden additives, there are chocolates that actually deliver real cocoa, flavor, and even health benefits. If you want to enjoy chocolate without the guilt, you need to choose brands that focus on quality ingredients, high cocoa content, and minimal processing. These are chocolates that satisfy cravings and still support your body instead of harming it. 1. Lindt 70 to 90% dark chocolate. When it comes to real chocolate, Lindt's 70 to 90% dark chocolate stands out as a premium choice for both taste and health. Unlike sugar-laden mixes or hot chocolate bombs, Lindt uses high-quality cocoa beans with minimal processing, ensuring that the antioxidants and natural flavonoids remain intact. These compounds are not just marketing gimmicks, they can help support heart health, improve blood flow, and even boost brain function. What makes Lindt unique is its balance between richness and bitterness. The higher the cocoa percentage, the lower the sugar content, which means you get a truly satisfying chocolate experience without the sugar crash. A single square can curb cravings, making it easier to resist ultra-sweet processed chocolates. This is perfect for people who enjoy chocolate daily but want to maintain a healthier diet. Lindt is also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a quick snack, pair it with coffee or fruit, or even use it in baking recipes where you want real chocolate flavor without the sugar overload. For example, melting a square into your oatmeal or yogurt provides rich flavor and antioxidants, unlike pre-sweetened cocoa mixes. Another advantage is the consistency and quality. Unlike low-grade cacao powders or industrial mixes, every bar of Lindt guarantees a smooth texture, deep chocolate taste, and high cocoa content. It's a brand you can trust for real chocolate without hidden sugar traps. In short, Lindt 70 to 90% dark chocolate is the ideal alternative for anyone who wants indulgence and health in one bite. It's rich, flavorful, and pure, a stark contrast to the processed sugar bombs we've discussed so far. Once you switch, it's hard to go back. 2. Ghirardelli Intense Dark Chocolate. Ghirardelli Intense Dark is another standout when it comes to real chocolate indulgence. Unlike mass-produced chocolate powders or candy bars, Ghirardelli focuses on high cocoa content, minimal additives, and authentic flavor, making it a true treat for your taste buds and your body. The cocoa percentage in Ghirardelli chocolate bars is significantly higher than in processed mixes, which means you're getting more natural antioxidants, minerals, and flavonoids. These compounds aren't just good for your health, they also give chocolate its deep, complex flavor that's lost in highly processed alternatives. You actually taste the cocoa, not just sugar or artificial flavors. Ghirardelli is also extremely versatile. You can enjoy a square as a midday snack, melt it into hot milk for a healthier cocoa drink, or even use it in baking where real chocolate flavor is needed. Unlike boxed cake mixes or hot chocolate bombs, it enhances recipes naturally without requiring extra sugar or artificial ingredients. Another benefit is the satisfying portion control. Since dark chocolate is rich and intense, you only need a small piece to feel satisfied. This helps prevent the mindless sugar binges often triggered by ultra-sweet chocolates or pre-made chocolate drinks. In addition, Ghirardelli chocolate has consistent quality and flavor. You don't have to worry about fillers, chemical additives, or low-grade cocoa. Every bar delivers a smooth, rich chocolate experience. It's perfect for anyone looking to transition from sugar-heavy products to real chocolate indulgence, whether for snacking, baking, or gifting. In short, Ghirardelli Intense Dark Chocolate is pure, satisfying, and healthy, offering the flavor and richness that processed products simply cannot match. If you want real chocolate without compromising taste or health, this is one of the best choices you can make. So, here's the truth. Most chocolates on the market are designed to look indulgent, but are really just sugar, chemicals, and marketing tricks. From hot chocolate mixes to Nesquik, and even those trendy chocolate bombs, the products we've covered today are convenience disguised as chocolate. But it doesn't have to be this way. By choosing high-quality, high-cocoa chocolate like Lindt 70 to 90% dark chocolate or Ghirardelli Intense Dark, you get the taste, the satisfaction, and the health benefits that real chocolate can offer. You don't need to compromise flavor for health. These brands prove that chocolate can be both delicious and good for you. Here's what I want you to do. Hit that subscribe button if you love learning the truth behind everyday products. Like this video if it opened your eyes to what's really in your chocolate. And comment "real chocolate" if you're ready to switch from sugar traps to real cocoa.